Let's have a conversation together now. Please answer my questions. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Do you ever have any problem to focus? How many eggs are you able to eat per day? Have you ever hired anyone? What's your age? Do you have a boss, or are you a boss yourself? What do you like in your risotto? Have you ever called the emergency services? What's the color of your hair? Did you have ham for breakfast this morning? And now write down what you hear. I don't like to speak to foreigners. I wish I could turn back time. They cannot stand her behavior. Can you get to the point? I almost understood it. And now, translate. You mustn't hold it like that. She hasn't achieved anything in her life. This soap smells so bad. We are looking for a babysitter. You shouldn't be scared. We have to pay the accommodation. My hair is so thin. I'm always trying to be polite. Are you afraid of aging? Will you return before midnight? And now create your own sentences from following words. Wet. Opportunity. Threat. Bacon. Issue. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.